Yo, what's up guys? Today we'll be unboxing the new Oppo F9. Inside the box you will be getting a clear transparent TPU case for the phone along with some manuals and paperworks. And then the phone itself, as you can see, it flaunts a new V-notch design, or the company likes it to call it as a teardrop design. Oppo has introduced a new way of fast charging called the WOOC charging technology, which is derived from dash charging from OnePlus. Company claims that a 5 minute of charging gives you a 2 hour of talk time over 4G network. Oppo F9 comes with an octa-core MediaTek Helio P60 processor bundled with 6GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. It has a 6.3-inch Full HD display rounded up on all edges. The big screen is ideal for enjoying videos and playing games. The back of the phone has a very unique design which shows up diamond-like textures when held at a certain angle. It comes with down-facing speakers and a Type-C port for charging and a headphone jack too. Talking about the dual camera setup, it comes with a 16MP and a 5MP sensor along with dual tone flash. And on the other side, it comes with a very powerful 25MP camera which can shoot in-depth images. No doubt that the camera is made for selfie lovers. It also has a face unlock feature which I would not totally recommend it because it captures the 2D image from the front camera and processes for password, unlike the Apple's dot projector method of 3D mapping of your face, which is way more secure. That's it for the unboxing and overview on this phone. My thoughts about this phone are pretty positive, and let's see how people take the new notch design. Oppo F9 will be available for sales from 31st of August via FLIPKART and offline stores. Oppo F9 is priced around 23,000, making it the best mid-range smartphone for its features. You can check the actual prices through the links given below down in the description, and even pre-book for the best offers and discounts. Thanks for watching guys, and please subscribe the channel for more tech related content. See you guys in the next video.